Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I am here at EPCOT Rose and Crown, and I'm about to try out the Rose and Crown tea experience. I love trying new things out at Disney, and this is one I haven't done before, so I'm looking very forward to it. So we came in the International Gateway, we've checked in, and now we're waiting for the experience to start at 9:45. It should last about an hour, and we should try amazing tea cakes and tea to drink and a lot of fun to be had. So let's go see what's going on. Guests come up to the front and we have Sky. Hey Sky, what's going on?
Not much, how are you?
I'm doing well, we're excited. What should we experience today?
So this morning you're going to be experiencing a different selection of teas. You're going to be walked through a brief history of them, and you're also going to have a selection of tea sandwiches and scones as well.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Oh,
we are excited.
Yay! It's nice seeing you guys.
Hi.
Welcome to the Rose and Crown, guys.
Thank you.
Alright, folks, to this table right
Perfect. Thanks so much. Oh, you know what? I'll just do it here.
Anyone? Okay, and has anyone had a coffee this morning? Okay, so the exit's that way if you'd like to leave now. No, we're all friends here, tea and coffee drinkers alike. Welcome to the Rose and Crown, welcome to the Twinings Tea Experience. My name's Alice, and we also have Lucy here with us today. And we have the pleasure of taking you through the wonderland that is Twinings Tea. So considering we're going to be talking to you about tea for a little bit, we should probably fully introduce ourselves. So I'm Alice, I'm from Chatham. It's in a place called Medway. It's about an hour south of London, and none of you have ever heard of it. And that's why nobody ever has. However, you've most definitely seen it, because we get used a lot for filming locations, for television programs and movies, because we look a little bit like a land lost in time.
Because it reminds me of Christmas.
Hi, my name's Alice. I come from Kent in the southeast of England. My favourite tea is an orange mandarin and honeybush herbal tea. It's very refreshing, it's reviving, it's a nice little pick-me-up when I'm feeling under the weather. The smell of it just reminds me of driving past some of the orange groves here in Florida.
Hi guys, my name is Matt. I'm from Sunderland in northeast England. I like to keep things really nice and simple, just a plain old English breakfast tea, a little spritch of honey in there as well.
I'll introduce myself. My name is Chef Cinderella, and to answer your first question, yes, that is my real name. I was born in the Netherlands to really cool hippies, so that's how I got this beautiful name. So it works out pretty nice. My dad gets a big kick out of the fact that I get to work here. So the next place is the castle. So I'm on So I'll go ahead and explain some of the sandwiches you have here, just so you know what you're eating. We're going to go ahead and start with some shapes, just because I see some of the plates are askew. So we're going to start with the circle, and that is Boursin cheese mixed with some arugula tossed, and then we've got some pickled cucumbers on top, and then a raspberry dust to cut the cheese, so to speak. And then we're going to go to the white triangle. And that one's actually Branston pickle mixed with Irish cheddar cheese. A Branston pickle is kind of like a chutney. It's got some vinegar and some vegetables in there. Really good taste, and it cuts the cheese as well. Then we're going to go to the triangle. That is standing up, and that is on swirl rye. That is coronation chicken salad. The coronation chicken was made for the Queen back in 1953 during her coronation. Still very enjoyable all over the UK today. Has mangoes, sultanas, curry, real nice flavor in there. And then we finish off with the classic egg salad. Does anybody not know what egg salad is? Perfect, don't have to explain that one. All right. And then in the middle, you see an orchid there. That's actually a flower that's been grown for us. Has anybody taken the land tour where you see the hydroponics? Perfect. So they actually grow vegetables and fruits and fish and all sorts of things there. And these are the flowers that they grow for us. Now, every flower has a different taste. Sometimes you'll taste grass. Sometimes you'll taste sweet, peppery. So go ahead and have a taste at that. Your tongue will tell you what you taste. So everybody's palate's a little different. So do I have any questions about anything? It's a scone plate. We have a plain scone and a sultana scone, or a golden raisins. There's two different ways of thought of how to eat a scone, actually. And it's quite serious business. It divides the country. So, newspaper publications, TV programs, it's quite the big deal. It's okay, don't worry about it. So there's actually the Queen's way, which is the Cornish way, where we take the scone, we tear it open. We put the strawberry jam down first and the clotted cream on top of it. Then there's the Devonshire way, which is where you take the scone, you tear it open, you put the clotted cream down first, and the strawberry jam on top of it.